In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP SmartTank 750 series printer on your Windows laptop, PC, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP SmartTank 750 support, and go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP SmartTank 750 series. Go ahead and open up that link. And now going underneath the support category that says software and drivers, go ahead and select that tile. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and the corresponding download button for that. Go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it. Just give it a moment here. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher. Select yes. And then you just want to follow along with the on-screen prompts, get your printer configured based on your preferences, and any optional features you want to enable or disable, you can do so through the wizard here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.